So follow the sound of my voice. I'm right over here. Come over. Oh, you're getting closer. Oh, I got it. I heard you. Okay, on the count of 3, we'll take off our blindfolds and see what color we got.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I got pink and I got black. That means we can officially get started with the pink versus black challenge. Remember, we have to stick with our colors the entire day.
Ooh, actually, before we get started, I'm gonna ask Jimmy if I could use his bedroom. How funny would that be?
Now, Jimmy, put your shoulder into it. Look, little circles, huh? Oh, just my luck to get stuck waxing the bus on chore day.
Hey, Jimmy! Can I possibly use your bedroom for an all-you-can-be-is pink day challenge?
Use my room for an all-you-can-eat pancakes challenge? Oh boy! Coach Rocco, we gotta clean this bus. Those pancakes aren't gonna eat themselves.
There you go, big circles and little circles. Big circles, little circles.
Feel free to use my room all you want, Casey.
Ellie, I can't believe it. He actually said yes. Oh, I'm so excited. He said yes. No. Oh my goodness. This is Jimmy's bedroom? How does he... Oh, there's a sock. How does he live like this? Oh man, I'm gonna have to do some real damage control in here. Oh, please tell me there's not pizza in the... Really? I could start with bedding. Seriously?
Not too shabby. I think I really pull off this look.
OMG, Ellie, your room looks amazing! And you even updated your wardrobe! Wow, introducing the new and improved Ellie Sparkles.
Thanks, Casey. I think I really, really like this. Oh, by the way, I also have stuff for your challenge.
For me? Pink accessories! This is the perfect final touch I've been looking for! Ellie, you think of everything. Thank you!
Oh, by the way, how is Jimmy's room coming along?
Ugh, have you seen the original state of his room? Disgusting. But after a lot of hard work and like an entire box of pink decorations, I turned his room into a pink wonderland. It's like a pink explosion.
My bed, it's pink. My walls are pink too. Even my soccer ball is pink. And I don't even own a soccer ball. Oh no, not Jimmy too. They got him too. Oh, why couldn't you leave Jimmy too alone, you pink monsters? He's just a baby. Oh, how was he ever supposed to trick Coach Rocco when he's dressed like that?
Don't say anything, Jimmy. You love your new room, don't you?
Well. If it isn't the pink infiltrator herself, Casey, I should have known. And now you two are returning to the scene of the crime.
Jimmy, you gave Casey permission to turn your room pink. I heard it myself.
Oh, and what do you think of Jimmy 2's new and improved outfit, huh? I think it's a much better adjustment if I do say so myself. Boop. Anything's better than orange and blue. Have you ever heard of a matching outfit, Jimmy?
First of all, Jimmy 2 was absolutely embarrassed to be seen in this monstrosity. And second of all, I never said that she could turn my room pink. I said that she could make all-you-can-eat pancakes.
Pancakes? A pink versus black food challenge. Jimmy, you're a genius. That's a great idea.
I agree.
Piping hot pancakes and banana smoothie. I really got a craving for these since Jimmy was talking about them all morning.
Perfect. Coach is making lunch. How should we distract him?
Oh, I got an idea. Watch this. Delivery! Package for Coach Rocco!
Delivery? Oh, that must be the new vacuum I ordered. I'm so excited. Hold on, I'll be right there.
Wait a second. This food doesn't match our colors at all. Here you go.
Hope Coach Rocco likes pink pancakes.
Wow, it's so black.
It's so pink. That looks so gross.
Okay, we should probably get away now. Yeah, let's go.
This way.
Some delivery guy that was. Who says delivery and doesn't even leave the package? What happened to my pancakes? And Jimmy, did you do something to my lunch? Why is my smoothie black? And my pancakes are pink. Well, I'm not falling for your prank. I'm not gonna eat these. Looks good.
Paint Jimmy's basketball black, have a few laughs, ruin his spin-a-rooney technique. Ugh. I'd do anything for challenges, but I won't do that.
Jimmy, now why did you dye my shirt pink?
Oh, I didn't dye your shirt pink. I know exactly what's going on here. It's Ellie and Casey. They're doing that pink versus black challenge.
Oh, well, I'm gonna put a stop to this.
Ellie, Casey, please report to the kitchen pronto!
I thought it was you in this cardboard cutout playing your pranks again.
What? Do you think that I would ever dress up Jimmy 2 like this? Does this look like a joke to you?
Hey guys, what's up?
Oh, well. If it isn't the 2 pranksters themselves, caught in the act, let him have it, Coach.
Oh, yes. Now, what is this business about you two changing colors?
Oh, we're doing this pink versus black challenge for our video. But if you don't like any of the changes that we made, we can always change them back.
The damage is already done. It can't be undone. This was an all-you-can-eat pancake scam. Just think of the pancakes, Coach. The pancakes!
Yeah, why did you turn my pancakes pink?
Well, I thought you wanted some strawberry pancakes. I mean, who doesn't like strawberry pancakes?
Well, yeah, I would have liked one, you know.
Yeah, and I kind of did like the fruitiness of the pancakes. It really gave it that extra, you know what, in the morning. Oh, and that chocolate shake, it was to die for. Mwah.
Oh, but what about your shirt, Coach? They ruined your shirt.
But it looks so good on you, Coach. And isn't it nice to own something that isn't green for once?
Well, actually, I was trying to mix up the colors a little bit and try something new. I mean,
Right? I think it's a great idea.
I think so too. Pink versus black. We could do that all week.
What? Great idea! Yeah, we can do all the other colors too.
And the neighbors, they'll wonder who we are because they won't recognize us.
Yeah, we just won't do orange and blue though.
No,
Yeah, no,
that's
that doesn't look
terrible.
good.